How to fix can't like post on Facebook. So if you want to fix can't like post on Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. And from there, you need to just scroll down and then go with settings and privacy. After that, tap on settings, and under settings, you will have the search. So under search, you need to go with search and search for browse. And here you need to tap on browser. Under browser, you will have your browsing history. So you just need to simply go and clear all of your browsing history. You will have clear on the right side, tap on clear, and then again tap on clear, which is on the bottom, and it will remove your browsing history and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back, make sure that you have an internet connection, open up your Play Store, go with your search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook. And after searching, if you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update the application. After updating, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix can't like post on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.